Myself, MS Badane, welcome you all. In today's session, we are going to start with our next algorithm, that is selection sort from data structure using C. First, we will take a small introduction for the selection sort. The selection sort is very simple sorting algorithm. This sorting algorithm is an in-place comparison based algorithm. In this algorithm, list is divided into two parts. The sorted part will be kept at left end and unsorted part will be kept at right end. Initially, the sorted part is empty and unsorted part is an entire list. Smallest element is selected from the unsorted array and swapped with the leftmost element, and that element becomes a part of sorted array. This process continues, moving unsorted array boundary by one element to the right. This algorithm is not suitable for large dataset as its average. Now we will see how this selection sort algorithm is going to work. So first we are going to consider one array as an example. So this is our array, for example, for working of our selection sort. In this array, 14, 33, 27, 10, 35, 19, 42 and 44. These 8 numbers we have considered. For the first position in the sorted list, the whole list is scanned sequentially. The first position where 14 is stored presently. We search the whole list and find that 10 is lowest value as compared to 14. So here as compared to 14, 10 is the only number which is less. So what the next? So we are going to replace 14 with 10. After one iteration, 10, which happens to be minimum value in the list, appears in the first position of the sorted list. For second position, where 33 is residing, we start scanning the rest of the list in linear manner. So here for 33 we are going to search whether any less number is there or not. We find that 14 is the second lowest value in the list and it should appear at the second place. So we swap this value. After swapping this value, instead of 33, 14 will be swapped, and instead of 14, 33 will be swapped. So this is the array position we will obtain. The same procedure is applied to the rest of the items in the array. So here we can see the elements. After that, for third position, for 27 we are searching is there any less item in our list. So 19 is the last element in our list. So we are going to swap 27 with 19. So at third position 19 get fixed. At fourth position there is a 33. So we are searching for the less than number from 33. So when we search for the list, 27 is the less number as compared to 33. So we will swap 27 at fourth location. Now we are going to searching for fifth location. At fifth location there is a 35 number. So we are going to searching for the less number than 35. As compared to 35 there is a 33 number which is less. So we are swapping 33 with 35. So our fifth position will get fixed with number 33. After that next there will be the number 35. But we will see here after 35 there is a 42 and 44 which are in sequence. So this is the way we can apply selection sort on array. Now we will see how this selection sort will work at program. So this is our program, C program for selection sort. In this C program, we have included first header file, main function I have written here, some variables that are required that I have declared here, clrscr function for clearing the screen, and I have accepted numbers for the selection sort by using array with the help of for loop. For c equal to 0, c less than and c++, scanf function used for reading this number at array ampersand array of C, location for the element. Now here this is the general logic which is going to apply for our selection sort. So for loop, so that I will apply this process for my complete procedure. I have taken the position one variable in which my first element I have added. Now I am going to take one more for loop for comparing purpose, and now I am going to check my condition array of position greater than array of D. If it is greater, then I am going to apply I'm going to change the variable D as a position. If position not equal to C, so I'm going to swap it T equal to array of C equal to array of position, array position equal to T. So this is my general logic that I'm going to apply for my selection sort. After applying this logic, I'll get my array in sorted form. So I'm going to print this array again by using for loop. So this is my simple program, simple C program for selection sort. Now I'm going to compile this program by using compiling. So this is the compilation done. Now I'm going to run my program by using run. See here, enter number of elements. So I'm going to enter number of elements here. Suppose 6 number I am going to enter here. So 6 number 30, 10, 60, 90, 20, 50. So randomly any numbers you may enter here. After entering this number, I am getting the output here. Again I am entering the numbers. So this is the way I got sorted list in ascending order. So this way you can see or you can implement the algorithm selection sort in C. Thank you.